Hi, I want to show you this application I just created. It's a chat application. So when you first enter, it asks for a username, of course. And there you go. We already did that on this one. So when you enter a room, it notifies that you has joined it, and also the other user that just recently has joined it. To create a new room, you just type the name. User has to reload the page to be able to join it. So let's say I want to type a message here. By the way, I can, yes. So this user is in the loop room, this is in public pool. So if the user is not in the same room, it won't see the message, right? But if it is in the same room, it will see the previous messages and it will be able to respond. As you notice that the user that is sending the message, it is not seeing his own name. It doesn't need to, but the other users will see it. So let's say I want to create another room with the same name that already exists. It won't let you. And even if you just create a room, so let's say I create just pool, and even if I just created, it won't let you. But if it's slightly different, it will. So another thing I want to show you is that we can only store 100 messages in this chat application. I will demonstrate right here. So this is the code that make it happen. I'll make it 10 and reload the page so we can see. So as you notice, this is in the loop room. They're both in the loop room. So if I reload them, right? Let's say I reload the page. What happened is that it will remember which room it was, and it won't let you enter because it doesn't exist anymore, because I reload the application, right? So it does remember the username, but not the other rooms, because I just restart the application, right? So let's create here another chat called numbers, so we can demonstrate the numbers. So it only right now it only let you store 10 messages, right? So I'm gonna send 10 message, right? Oh damn, this is in public room, I'm sorry guys. So here we are. Now we are all in numbers room, right? It also scroll down until the last message. So when I will hit number 10, let's see this first. So let's see, I get out, and here I can see all the messages that have been stored, right? So I see the number 10 from the number 1 to the number 10. But what happens if I hit 11? So if I get out and return, so this is the message that are storage, you see that number 1 is not there anymore, because it can only storage 11 messages, right? So by the way, so the user don't type anything here, I just created this. That's what happened before. So it will just take me back to the application, to the index, right? These are the messages. So I want to show you the special feature I created that was, as you can see, it does remember the last channel I was in, right? So let's go back. And it does remember it. Because this is incognito, it won't even remember the username, right? We have to create another one. Let's say grandma. So here we are again. So the special feature I created was delete room, right? So notify, and you won't see it here anymore. Here you see, but if you try to enter, it doesn't really let you, right? So when you change room, you can see that room is not there anymore. So that's the special feature. And even if we are in another room, let's say the cool room, so even if we are in another room and we have this closed, we will be notified that public room, for example, has been deleted. I just set this like this so all the users are informed if any room is deleted, because all the channels are public, right? So I think it's important. So if I try to send a message, I won't be able. Oh, because because this is not the room that has been deleted, but this room, it won't let you, right? So we just restart because we delete public room. Here we are. So this is basically the functionality of it. I hope you enjoy this.